Alright, what's up? We're back at the Bouncy Castle. My name is Oscar, aka Onasty, aka Eddie Esta, aka Ethan's best friend. Today we're going to do front Smith 180. Alright, so the first thing you got to do, put your shoes on your hands, and then you go up, right? I guess it should be fair to start with the first trick you should do before attempting this kind of maneuver is a frontside slash grind, which looks like this. So what you're gonna do, pretty simple thing. It's very similar to the frontside slash, but you're gonna go up, get that back truck up on there, and then you're gonna let the front one dip down onto the ramp. So it's like a Smith, but you kind of want to let it, you can get up into Smith, but you want to put all that weight up on that front foot so that you're kind of going back in, which leaves the back foot a little lighter so that it can pivot it back around. So it's kind of a weird shift of weight. So it goes your back foot for the slash, to your front foot to get the pivot started, and then you slide that back foot back around. Honestly, sometimes I try this trick and I don't reach the top of the coping, but I still pivot. It's very important to know that you gotta get that back truck in there. Because it's not a Smith grind then, is it? No, it's just a fucking slippity slidey all over the place. But really, it's just a one fluid motion, okay? It's all those little steps in one. I don't know, if you go fast, and you don't really hesitate while you do it, it's gonna be the better case scenario. Now it's safe to put the shoes back on your feet and try the trick. Another thing, while you're doing this trick, while it is a trick that might feel like a 180, it's important to keep your shoulders facing straight at the quarter pipe in front of you so that when you're into the slash, it's really all on your back foot to pivot it back around, and you'll feel confident to go straight behind you. Because if you throw your shoulders like a slash grind, it's gonna be a lot harder for you to bring it back around with that back foot. Does it make sense? Am I making any sense at all? Comment down below if I'm making no sense at all.